In case anyone needs to see this, Jeff saw this on YouTube, how to bring cattle panels home in the back of your pickup truck.
Back up.
Oh, yeah. Come on, dogs.
I know.
It doesn't look like it's going to come apart because of the ratchets.
Well, that's the plan.
Uh-oh. Anything I can do? All right, they're out.
Actually learned that from the paper, from the streets.
Yeah.
Because they said that's how you hold it together while you're building.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, that is really good info. How many you got there? 4?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
I'm going to get slapped. I know I am.
Honey.
Hey, that's fine.
All right, so in here we've got our meatbird feed. We are going with Nutrina. I was told that this is the closest thing you can get to it being organic without it being organic. And all I know is when you open this up, it smells so good. And I just can't imagine that that can't be good. It smells like oregano and all kind of spices. So, and this is especially for meat birds. Really, it's a pretty decent price at Rural King. What are you doing, Rockin'?
Trying to help it go faster. It's just slow.
Wow, that's a trickle.
Yeah. Come here. Sonny. Sonny. Sonny.
Well, it happened to just be laying there. Oh. Oh, they're drinking.
Do we want to get them not organic?
No, it's something that helps them in this stage of life, but I got man, they're already moving around. They're eating. They're, gosh. Around on this side. 55 is a lot. Good Lord. Amazing. So 55 ended up being a lot, for sure, but it's amazing they just start eating and drinking. No mommy needed to tell them. I'm going to keep an eye, make sure I got it warm enough in there. First day we get the chicks, and it's really cold, like 40 degrees, so we're bringing them inside. Ooh, I think I found a spider web under my thing. Just hang it from the hook in the ceiling, so it's more down right on them.
I'm lost. I look about right?
Yeah, that looks real good. We started with that big black container for whatever reason, and it was just ridiculous. So we have now transferred them to this tartan, which I really like. All right, honey, tell me what you're doing.
I'm turning these 4x6s into 2x4s.
4x6s into 2x4s. You're going to rip them.
Yep.
That's what you said.
Yep.
You're going to rip them.
Yep, it's going to be loud.
And what are you going to use this wood for?
Building a chicken tractor for the broilers that we have.
So instead of us going and buying some, we're going to use what we have.
Yeah, this has been laying in the yard for 3 years.
Wow.
I still haven't built anything with it.
I'm seeing a raised bed. Where has that been all my life? stayed too busy today and I missed so much of what you've been doing. You got all the lumber cut.
You put the rope here and here and you pull it like this. That's why that's 45, 45, and these two are an inch off the ground because they'll drag the ground and you won't be able to pull it.
Oh, that's a great idea.
That's the street's idea. That's not mine. All split like this. And half right there.
Man, I didn't know that's what you meant.
And I'm not gonna go. The thing that you dislike to do more and more as you get older, touch your toes.
So this ended up being quite a project, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. Hopefully it'll last, quite a while.
We need longer, bigger, better zip ties, don't you think? You think they'll be okay?
Yeah, because we're gonna tie all this together. It's gonna be shot here, and all this is gonna be shot together, and that's gonna tie it all together.
Oh, I got you. Yeah. So that's just temporary to hold it in place for now.
Yeah, I'm just stretching it tight.
Ooh. But you don't know how you're going to connect it just yet.
Zip ties and wire. Don't know how often.
Maybe wire that you could like sew it, like
Yeah.
loop it around all the way around.
Really good idea.
Wow, thanks, honey.
And locked in place like that. So if I did that, every single one of these, like that,
Yeah.
I mean, that might be ticket right there. That might be the ticket right there. Grab one of those corners and let's get to where we're both on the same corner, and then we'll just kind of pull it across the top.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, if you see a pokey, poke it down.
Alright. Now your side's going to go flush with your edge. I'm going to pull it to me.
Alright, keep going. Keep going, stop. Why aren't you sold on it yet?
I don't know, because I mean, we've got the chicken wire. I've got 2-foot chicken wire in there. I could just see how long it is, just roll it down each side, 2-foot chicken wire, and then just put it just like it is right now, and then we're done. Let me see.
On a scale of 1 to 10, what's the chances I'll be able to pull that? 1 is the worst, 10 is the best.
1.
Oh no.
You will
I will never.
You will never pull this.
Oh no.
It's just, you know, it's just not. It ain't easy. It's going to be a little easier when I hook it to the front, because the front, I'm going to spread it out.
My name is Julie. Thank you so much for joining my husband and myself today. I would have given you more details on how we built the chicken tractor, but I never heard back from the family that we got the plans from, so I didn't feel that I had permission to share. I will provide a link in the description for their website, and if you would like, you can get in touch with them and see if they can give you dimensions. What we were hoping was that as you saw how we built it, maybe you can formulate your own size that you want and kind of take it from there. We honestly love everything about it, especially the fact that I can stand up in it. That has been a game changer. And I do have an update on the house. It's been 2 weeks, almost to the day, since they delivered the house, and they will be coming in 2 days to set it up. And we are beyond excited. And of course, I will capture all of that and share as much about it as I can. All right, everyone, have a great week. God bless.